I am early on in my career in this industry of maintenance and reliability. What do you think I should do early on in my career to make sure that I set myself up for this long-term career of success?
Just listen. You just have to listen, Ryan. If you and I'm a talker. Look, I'll be the first one to tell you, when there's a room full of people, I tend to dominate that room, and it's probably not the greatest thing. And I've spent a lot of time in my career actively reminding myself to listen more. And it has served me well. But especially in the position you're in and the position I'm in, we're trying to service a customer. And we may think we've created the cat's meow, but it doesn't get adopted if it doesn't fit their needs. Mm-hmm. And it has to fit their needs. And there's only one way you're going to know what their needs are. And it's not by you talking.
Yeah. So focus on the business, understand multiple different, languages almost, and realize that, hey, there's still a lot for us all to learn outside of just what we know we're good at, even if it's, even if we're the best within the space of maintenance and reliability. There's so many different, people, personalities in the room that we can always learn from.
Yeah, no doubt. And don't get overwhelmed. I think the last piece of advice would be don't get overwhelmed. Because when you look at how much work this is, this can become overwhelming to people very quickly. Don't get overwhelmed.